Hi guys, this is Abe from ILocksmiths. Today we're going to copy a key for Honda Accord 2017. That's the existing customer key, and this is the new key. Okay, let's go for coding. I'm sorry for decoding first, and then we're going to do the coding, the new key. Okay, we got the cuts here. Let's compare it, make sure we got the right one. 153551. The bottom's gonna be 665351. Okay, great. Okay, new key going. Yeah, looking good. Okay, I'm going to cut the other side and then we're going to go walk to do the program. Okay, it's done. Computer asks if the security light is off. No security light, as you see. Let's do yes. Turn ignition off. On. Success. Let's check it out. So this is the customer key. Working perfect. Locking, unlocking. This was our key. And that's the customer key. Both is working. Anything you need, ILocksmiths Brooklyn. Fast, best prices, and best service. 718-504-5625.